Hello everyone, welcome to my Algorithm in Python series. Today we are going to solve an easy problem, Invert Binary Tree. The problem states, given the root of a binary tree, invert the tree and returns root. Here is an example. On the left, we have a binary tree as input. For the output, we want the tree to be inverted, meaning for every node in a tree, we want to swap its left and right child nodes. If we look at the root node of this particular tree, we can see it has a left child node of 6 and right child node of 7. After the swap, the left becomes 7 and the right node becomes 6. Similarly, such swap is also done to the other nodes of the tree. I'm going to show you two solutions, one using recursion and the other using iteration. Let's first look at the class definition of the nodes of the tree. Each node has a value, a left child, and a right child. The first solution is using recursion. If the root is not none, we swap the left and right nodes of the root, and then we call the function itself on the left and right child nodes. The function will operate the swap recursively on each node. In the end, we return the root. The second solution is to use iteration. We iterate over all the nodes using an open list. At first, the open list only contains the root. Then we pop the last item out of the list and append its children to the open list. For the node we popped out, we perform the swap. We keep doing the popping and appending until there's nothing in the open list anymore. Now we have gone through every node and made the swapping. We can return the root. As for the time and space complexity for these two solutions, they are really the same because they both have a depth-first search behavior. In either solution, we have to go through the entire tree and visit each node exactly once. So the time complexity is O of n, where n is the number of nodes. And in both cases, the worst-case scenario is that we need to store the longest branch of the tree in memory, which could be the entire tree if it's unbalanced. So the space complexity is also O of n. You can use either solution to solve the problem. It's good to know both. I hope you learned something new. If you have another solution and would like to share, please leave me a comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time.